Yeah. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, and you know how we do it. Yeah. So on the 28th of this month, I'm hosting my monthly class. Yeah. So if you want to join, the ticket link is in the bio, the description, and in the comment section as well. Yeah. So it's just $30, and you get to learn action to action strategy, bank to P2P strategy, and crypto arbitrage with the AI bot. And the AI bot will be given to you for free. Yeah. So please make good use of it before it's too late because it's limited slots. Yeah. So today, I'm about to talk about the AI bots that is making wonders in the arbitrage work. Yeah. So, so we can see that we have this AI bot, and I've been talking about it for months. Yeah. So this bot is for people who don't have time to trade manually. Yeah. So these bots help them trade. And also when you come down here, you can see that we have live arbitrage opportunities over here. So this bot gives you signals to also trade manually as well, but I prefer using the bot to trade automatic. Yeah. So we have types of accounts. We have free accounts, the silver accounts, and the gold accounts. I'm on the gold account, so each and every trade that I do, I get 1.5% per trade. Yeah, of my capital. I get 1.5% per trade of the capital. Yeah. But when you're on the silver, that one you'll be getting 1%. Yeah. So when you open the bot, this bot, if you join the class, I'll be giving it to you for free. But if you want the bot, it's $40. Yeah. So if you don't want to join the class, but you want the bot, it's $40. And I will show you how to use the bot and also show you how you can use it to earn more money. Yeah. So so when you open the bots and you buy your account, consider right now I'm on the good accounts, right? I'm on the good accounts. I'm on the good accounts. So when I come down here, you can see that here I have 3,290.65 USDT. So in my arbitrage wallet, so I will enter 3,290.65. Then I will take all the exchanges over here. So when I take all the exchange over here, then I will click on execute trade. So this is the amount I'll get if I'm on the free account, but because I'm on the good account, I'll be earning 48 plus, right? So if I click here, instead of so per every trade, I'll be earning 49.36 USDT per every trade, and you can withdraw this anytime, any day you want. You can withdraw this anytime, any day you want. Yeah. So you can see that I've initiated a trade, and you can see that right now it's connecting all the exchanges here. Yeah. So it's connecting all the exchanges here. It's connecting all the exchanges. Yeah. So after connecting the exchanges, then it will move to the preheating for you. Yeah. So you can see that it's connecting to all the exchanges. It's just simple. And this one, you can close it and attend to anything that you are doing and come back to it and still be earning money from it. Yeah. So this is just simple. Yeah, simple way to make money. Yeah. So instead of right now, it's done. So it's doing the preheating for me right now. Yeah. So the preheating also takes few minutes. Yeah, so the preheating is when the boats warm up all the connection and fetch the live prices. So this where the boats will say that okay, let me check and see if I can get, let's say, TD on Bybit at a lower rate and go to Gate.io and sell it at a higher rate. This is the stage that the boats do all that work for you. Yeah. So this one, you don't need to overthink. The bot will just do everything for you. Yeah. Yeah. So right now, I can see that it's warming up, and we have to wait and see the wonders that the boat will do for us. Yeah, so it's warming up. That's the preheating. Yeah, so it's warming up for us. Just simple like that. And when you're done, you can withdraw your money for free without paying anything. You can withdraw your money anytime you want. So when I'm done and I get the money in my regular wallet, you can only withdraw money from the withdrawal wallet. So I have to transfer the money from regular wallet to withdrawal wallet, and it's free. And I can withdraw the money from my withdrawal wallet, and it's also free. Yeah, I know people who are using the boat can testify to it that they are enjoying and they are making money out of it, and they withdraw anytime, any day they want without any this thing. I see people saying that Charlie, the withdrawal will be the problem. You can see that I've done videos withdrawing for you to see, and people who has also enjoyed it can also testify to it, and sometimes they comment for you to see that it's real. Yeah. Though crypto is risky, so you can read their privacy terms and everything first before you can do. Yeah. But Charlie, let's make money, bro. So consider right now it's in the third stage. That's the arbitraging. This stage, it's buy at a lower rate and sell at a higher rate, and after that, like make sure you are in profit. That's where the vault do the magic. Yeah, this is the place the boat do the magic. That's the arbitration. So right now, you can see that it's doing everything, and my expected profit is what 49.36. That's what I'm expecting. I'm not expecting anything apart from this. Yeah. So you can see arbitrage is very easy. You see, arbitrage is when you buy crypto at a lower rate and go and sell it at a higher rate. So the bots always make sure that it buy it at a lower rate and go and sell it at a higher rate. You see, so using both to do your arbitrage is very easy comparing to like crypto trading and forex trading. I see people that saying that. So why can't you lose? How can someone buy a coin at a lower rate and go and sell it at a lowest rate? No, we buy something low and sell it high in order to what make profit. That's how we do it. Yeah, so consider right now it's in the finalizing stage and it's confirming transaction and calculating profit. There is when the bots finalize everything and share profit to all the users that are trading. It's that thing. Yeah, it's very very simple. So you can see that right now I'm having what? I'm having 0.0. So boom. I'm having 49.36. Yeah, 49.36. Yeah, so when I'm done with all my trades, I can compound it. I can transfer money from the regular wallet to the arbitrage wallet and also enter trade again. So that thing. Yeah. So this simple. And if I want to withdraw my money, I can come down here, enter the amount I want to withdraw, and I will go and copy my BB20 address, can put it over here, and I'm good to go. I can withdraw my money at any time, any day I want. You see that thing? Yeah. So this is the crypto arbitrage AI bot that is making people money. So you have to start using it if you want to enjoy good life on a soft way. This is good for you. Yeah. Though life is risky, but we have to take risk in order to make more money. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and you can subscribe, share to your loved ones so that they can also share again. So let me do my final trade, this one, and sleep. I will leave it in sleep. Boom. So 49.36, right? Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.